Make a power bank, DIY power bank. So if you are in need of power bank for your mobile phone or any electronic device, there is a way you can create your own power bank with your requirement. So how to create a power bank? So to create a power bank, first you need a battery like this. This is 18650 battery, 3.7 volt battery. It's called around it's cost around like $1-2 depending on the quality. It has positive and negative side. This one is positive side. Currently I have connected this with this is the sellotape and positive and negative side. Then what you need is this. It's called a display module. It will cost you like around $5 to $6. You can find it easily in Amazon or Flipkart. So buy this. It has like 2 port here. This is for where is my focus? Sorry. So this is positive for positive terminal of battery, and this is for negative terminal of battery. So just solder this to side using this soldering iron. Then after that, connect positive terminal to positive side of battery and negative terminal to negative terminal of opposite battery. You can use as many battery as you want depending on your requirement. Currently it's for a demo version, so I'm just using one battery. I'm going to use like 10 to 20 battery. After that, this power bank has positive and negative side, and also one button here. So press this button. So it's on. Alright, so it has I think battery doesn't have a power. As you can see, it has a 37% of battery. So this power bank module will show the charge battery have, and also it will provide you 2 USB port for charging a mobile. So let's show you as well. So I'm gonna connect this cable here, and this is one simple mobile. Just charge this using power bank we have just created. Sorry, this terminal was disconnected. Let's turn on a battery power bank. Let's connect this terminal in here. Sorry, soldering was out, so that's why it's not charging. So let's connect here. Let's connect here. As you can see, it's charging.